If your life were a movie, would you watch it? In today's era, where the line between creators and viewers continues to blur, everyone has the tools to tell their story. But what truly makes a story worth watching? It's the individuality and authenticity that only you can bring to the screen. Your story, your perspective, and your creativity are what make you stand out in this age of endless content. Expressing yourself through art has never been easy. It's a journey filled with challenges. It requires inspiration, dedication, and the right tools to bring your vision to life. Thankfully, technology is evolving to bridge the gap between imagination and execution, making the creative process not only easier, but also more accessible to everyone. Key features and expectations. 1. Camera upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a larger sensor, potentially a 1-inch sensor, compared to the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor would improve image quality, offering sharper details and better performance in low-light conditions, making it ideal for landscape photography. While a resolution boost is less likely, enhancements in dynamic range and clarity are anticipated. 2. Weight and portability. Maintaining the sub-250g weight class is crucial for the Mini series as it exempts users in the US from requiring an FAA license. DJI faces challenges in incorporating substantial upgrades while adhering to this weight limit. 3. AI tracking and 5G connectivity. Improved AI tracking could enhance the drone's ability to follow fast-moving subjects like vehicles, making it more versatile for action-oriented videography. The inclusion of 5G connectivity could offer smoother real-time video transmissions and better control, appealing to professional users. 4. Battery life.